Good morning, students. It's Anchal Chauhan here, and today I'm going to give you the revision test of chapter number 2. So, here it is, revision test of chapter number 2, maximum marks 15 for this chapter, and then date. Here it is, I have mentioned. And if you have prepared well for chapter number 2, then only please attempt this test. Otherwise, prepare well for it, and after that, give this test. So, let us start with the first question. Here I have provided the numbers also, that which question carries how many marks. Now, question number 1 here is used to apply filters in a table data to select records from a big collection of records that meet certain conditions. So you have to write the answer here. This is of 1 mark. Moving on to next question, name the types of pain. Here it is not PAIN, it will be PANE. It will be PANE. Name the types of pane in which a query window is divided. Next, moving on to third question, what is the use of criteria row in design grid? So this is here your third question. Moving on to next, used to add, modify and remove records in a table. Fill in the blank, 1 mark. Next question, only answer you have to write in your test copy, and yes, you have to make a separate copy for this test. You will not write the answers of these questions revision in your simple notebook, right? So you have to make a different copy for this test, and your parents will check it. Moving on to next, fifth question, name the types of views available for a form, 1.5 mark. 6. Use of report in MS Access, 2 marks. 7th, how many types of report view are available? Name them, 1.5 marks. Moving on to next here, 8th, what is the use of auto format gallery option? This question is of 2 marks. Next, identify the valid field names and give the reason. You have to give the reason also, that which is valid and which is invalid, right? So here it is father's name, it is written address slash street number, next one is pin code dot, and here it is first name. So these 4 parts are given here. You have to write whether it's valid or invalid and give the valid reason for invalid names only. Reason you have to give for invalid only. If it is a valid field name, then there is no reason to give it. You will directly write in front of it valid, right? So for invalid only you have to give the reason. And so you can write the question here as, and give the reason for invalid field names. For invalid field names, identify the valid field names and give the reason for invalid field names, right? So here is your test completed. It's of 15 marks. And now I'm going to give you the answer key of chapter number 1. So those answers you can check. And the answer key for this chapter number 2 I will provide in the next week, right? So here is the answer of your first test. Yes, so this was your revision test of chapter number 1. Now I am going to provide the answers of these. First one, which keys hold down to select non-adjacent files or folders randomly? So answer is CTRL, control key, CTRL key. This is the answer. If you have written only CTRL, then also it is correct. But if you have written here control, then it is incorrect. You will get 0 marks for it. Now next, second question, which program is used to organize and view files and folder? Answer is Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. PLORER, right? Next, GUI stands for, answer, graphical user interface. This is the answer of third one. Match your answer and give the marks accordingly. Next, CD burning is a process of copying data from to. So from where you copy the data? From computer. So here in the first fill up you will write here from computer to. Where you copied? So answer is CD or DVD. DVD. Right? Next. Which option is used to display files and folders in the form of icons? Answer is tiles option. Answer is tiles option. Properly write tiles option. Next, Nero is a software. So Nero is a CD burning software. CD burning software. Next, what is the shortcut key to select all files and folders? Answer is CTRL plus A. This one I have already explained you. Okay? Next, when we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the memory. This process is called what? This process is called booting. BOOTING. This is the correct answer here. Moving on to next. Brings together similar category files together. Answer is library. Next. 10th. Organize menu is present on which bar? So because organize is a menu, so it is present on menu bar. It's not menu, it's menu bar. So here I have given all the answers. Now accordingly you check it. And one more thing, just a little bit correction. In your first chapter, I hope you all have done chapter number 1 question answers in your notebook. Just a little bit correction. Look at short question answers, second one. Open your notebook and make the correction. Question short answers, question number 2. Name some give some examples of CD burning software. So I here in that question I have provided the answer as XD burner XP, right? This one example I have given. Actually by mistake in place of this XD, CD will come. CD burner XP. By mistake in that video I forgot to watch this. By mistake it is, sorry. So it's in place of XD, it will be CD burner XP. So please make the correction in your notebook. CD burner XP is the answer. 3 examples I have given here. Okay, in that answer make it correct. So that's all about it. Now I'm going to upload one more video today itself. So for the remaining part of chapter number 3 along with the question answers. So next video I will upload for the remaining part of chapter 3. So please watch that video after this revision test. Thank you.